Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I did the video showing you all how I make clip art sets versus just creating individual clip art images. I created a set so I could get more variety of images, and someone asked me to do a video on how I take the set and over to Canva and make it into clip art. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So once I get my set, it comes in a set of four. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hit the U of the image that I want to upscale. I upscaled all four of these. How you know is because they're highlighted in blue. But you decide which one you want to upscale. You hit, U1 or U4, and then it will break it out into an individual image by itself. So here's one of the individual images. I just click on it. I hit open in browser. I right click on it, hit save image as, and I just save it in wherever I want to save it on my computer. Once I do that, I go over to Canva, create a new design, custom size, and usually if the image is a square, it's 1024 by 1024 pixels. So I'll type that here, and then I'll hit create a new design. Right. So once I create a new design, this is usually white. I hit this color button up here to change the background color to a color. That way, when I remove the background on the images, I already know. I know it's removed because I see this color in the background. So I go over to uploads, and I hit upload files. I've already done it, so I'm just going to walk you through the steps. Um, see where I save this. Documents. Basically, figure out where you saved your images. I thought I saved it under something different, but I guess I didn't. But anyway, figure out where you saved your images. Click on your image, hit open, and your images will upload here on the side. Um, I don't know why I can't find where I save my images, but I already have them in here, so I'll just go through that. So let's just grab one of them. Let's see. So now, my method might be inefficient. I don't know. Because it is kind of time consuming. It goes fast, but it probably could be considered time consuming. But this is the best way I know how to do it right now. So I grab the image and then I stretch it out. And I go ahead and hit duplicate page because I know I'm going to want more than one of these images here. So I might hit duplicate page a couple of times, right? So now what I'll do is I'll click on one of the images, hit edit photo, and you do have to have Canva Pro for this. All right, once you hit edit photo, you hit back BG remover, which is background remover, and it removes the background. Then I go to magic eraser, and then I just erase what I don't want, right? So I'm just going to bring my brush size up to try to make it a little quicker. I'm going to keep this image right here, so I'm just going to erase everything else. And try to be very careful when I'm close to the image so I don't mistakenly erase some of the images that I want. All right, and once I do that, I'm left with the one image. Then I can go to the next one, hit background remover, then go to Magic Eraser again, and then I could try and grab another one. So I'll try and grab like this honeycomb. Um, so I'm just going to erase everything that I don't want. Right. And I'm just left with the honeycomb. Right. So once I pull out all the images that I want, I go ahead and I just kind of bring the square down just by grabbing at the handles. Just, size it just to the size of the image. Then I bring the image to the center, and you know you're in the center because you'll get these purple lines. And then I just make it bigger. Make it as big as you want. All right. And the same thing here. I just grab the handles, bring it in. And this might not be something that you have to do. I just like doing it. Um, bring it to the center here, and then I just make this bigger. And if it's part of the image that I don't want, like once I make it bigger, and if I see some part of the image that I don't want, like this little thing here, I can just go back to, actually, bring it right down. I was cutting off some of the image. I can just go to edit photo and hit magic eraser and just erase any of these things that I don't want. But I do like that, so I'm just going to leave it. Once I do that with all my images, um, I'm still working on it because I was working on this earlier and then I saw the message. Um, so I've grabbed all of these images out of the individual images here. So I've grabbed the ones that I want, did the technique of erasing what I didn't want, made these bigger, and now I have the clip art. So all I have to do after I finish doing this is let me do this while I'm since I started doing this one. Make it bigger. Once I have all the images like I want them, then I just go to share, download. Since I have Canva Pro, I'm going to hit transparent background, and you can download all of them. I'm just going to download this one, page 9. All right, but you can download the whole file and it'll give you all the images. I'm not done with them, so I'm not going to download the whole file. Um, then I come to my downloads, double click on it, and I have my image, right? Um, I probably need to erase that little bit there in Canva. But now I have my image, and you see that it does have a transparent background. Um, I would also take this to gigapixel and upscale it because as you can see, it's a little blurry now. I will take it to gigapixel, upscale it to make the image look a lot crisper. Um, something else I wanted to tell you. Oh, I was watching a video the other day. I wasn't really paying. I was paying attention, but I wasn't. But from my understanding, Canva now has an upscale feature. Um, I'm not going to show it to you in this video because I haven't used it and I don't even know where it is. But keep that in mind if you have Canva Pro. Um, it has an upscale feature now. So if you don't have Gigapixel, which Gigapixel, I paid $99 for it, but it's for a lifetime access. I don't know if that's still the price, but if you don't want to, spend $99, then if you have Canva Pro, it has the upscaler now in here somewhere. I just don't know what it is. and I don't want to waste y'all's time trying to look for it. All right. So I'm just gonna continue to grab my images and till I get them all. Then I'll download them, add them into Gigapixel, upscale them, and then I'll have my clip art. I have my individual clip art images. So that is how I take the um, clip art sets from Midjourney, upload them to Canva, take out the images that I want, um, remove remove the background first, then take out the images I want, um, make them a little bit bigger, take them over to Gigapixel, upscale them, and I have my clip art. I feel like I've said that like 3 times. Um, but let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. I am not an expert at all. Um, I'm basically learning as I go. I'm learning to do all of this as I go. Um, I also make these into stickers because I'm into planning. So I would, let's say this one right here, I would click on the photo, hit edit photo, go down here to shadows, outline. Um, I like this too because now I know I need to go back to Magic Eraser and erase these 2 pieces right here. But anyway, you hit outline, then you go down here to the color, drag it up, make the color white, and you got a sticker. So let me see if I can go to Magic Eraser and erase these 2 spots. I don't remember where they were exactly, but I'm just going to see if I can kind of play around with it where I think it was and see if it works. All right, I got them. Right, so this is now a sticker that I can take over to Cricut Design Space. I would download it the same way with a transparent background, take it over to Cricut Design Space, and Cricut Design Space will cut around because I added that border, that shadow border around it. So again, not an expert, learning as I go, but I do like to show you all the different things that I've learned. Um, if you have any questions, I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.